and welcome to Hooray. Today we are going to learn essay writing, which is task 2 in the IELTS exam. Let's look at the type of essay which has two parts in it. It's called two-part essay. First, let's take a look at the criteria of the band descriptors. 1. Task achievement. 2. Coherence and cohesion. 3. Grammatical range and accuracy. 4. Lexical resource. Let's take a look at the description. This contains two questions. It also has a direct question. You will be given two questions and you need to answer both of them. These two questions will be different. Here's a sample question. Social communication has undergone a great change because of technology. In what ways has technology made an impact on people's choices or approach towards relationships? Is this a good or a bad thing? This is how the introduction can be written. You need to paraphrase the statement, then give a thesis statement and a transitional sentence. In the introduction, you could paraphrase the question like this. Technological advancements and options have a lot to do with people's choices on relationships. The thesis statement could go like this. It is ironic, people are yet missing out on communicating properly with each other, resulting in bad relationships. And the transitional sentence could be like this. I shall elaborate this in the following paragraphs. In the second paragraph, we could explain the first question with a topic sentence, explanation, give a result of it, and an example to illustrate. Technology that has led to the birth of social media has directly affected personal relationships. This could be further explained. People have large groups of acquaintances, also called network, that was born out of social media interaction, but have fewer friends that they can rely on otherwise. Technology thus has taken away people's choice of face-to-face interaction. On Facebook and social media, people can have as many followers based on common interests, but zero personal interaction, which often result in cybercrime. Let's look at how to write paragraph 3. This would address the second question. Again, we need to have a topic sentence, explain the topic sentence, give the results of that, and give an example to illustrate your point. In the topic sentence, you could write, I personally believe that this is a bad practice. Go further and explain it by writing, people are often found more attached to their devices than the people in their lives. The result of this is, as a result, they lose important social skills as well as emotional contact with their family. For example, in the US, 45% of the people were found to be suffering from some form of social anxiety as a result of being away from human interaction for a long time and constantly on their devices. Now we come to the last paragraph, which is the conclusion. You could use a transitional phrase like in a nutshell and use a comma after that. You need to summarize the information which you have written in the second and third paragraph. In a nutshell, people are becoming lonely and depressed besides losing social interaction, and this is affecting their relationships with other people. The suggestion or prediction goes like this. It is suggested that people should spend less time on their devices and more quality time with their loved ones. Let's look at some of the strategies which would help you in writing a good essay. Analyze the task, identify keywords, Ascertain specific aspects of the topics. Determine what type it is, whether it's disagree, agree, or advantage, disadvantage, or two-part essay, or problem solution, or cause and effect type of essays. Take down notes, plan for the first 5 minutes, then go ahead and write for 30 minutes, and in the last 5 minutes you have to review and edit your essay. Use your notes outline to present your arguments. Support your arguments with examples. Cover all aspects of the questions. Develop your argument, and the essay should be organized. Let's look at some general tips for writing. Use apt vocabulary. No contraction forms should be used. Identify the keywords. Critically analyze the topic. Manage your time well. If you wish, you could begin with the task 2 first. Use all parts of speech appropriately. Use transitional words. Write with coherence and cohesion. And you should follow logical organization of ideas. You have an assignment to do today. Question for this essay is this: many people prefer to watch foreign films rather than locally produced films. Why could this be? Should governments give more financial support to local film industries? With this, we come to the end of the two-part essay. Wish you all the best to write good essays. Thank you.